Oh, Captain, what are you doing?
Well, I'm falling and rolling, Solly, like I'd do if there was a fire. You'll see what I mean.
Hi mateys, I'm Firefighter Bill from the East Peoria Fire Department. Remember yesterday's fire safety tip was learn not to burn. Don't ever play with matches. Today's tip is if you catch fire, stop, drop, and roll. Tomorrow we'll be learning fire safety tip number 3. But right now, stay tuned. In a few moments, we'll be learning about our fire pumper.
Hi mateys, I'm Firefighter Jim from the East Peoria Fire Department, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our fire truck, or pumper as we call it in the fire service. The fire pumper is probably the most essential piece of equipment that we have. We use it to respond to all house fires or car accidents where there's a possibility of a gas spill or a fire occurring. On the piece of firefighting equipment, we carry everything that is essential that we would need at the scene of a house fire or structure fire. I'm sure you've all seen the garden hose and nozzles that your parents use to either water their lawn or to wash their car. Well, here's just a sample of some of the hoses and nozzles that we use. This one is about 4.5 inches in diameter, and the nozzle that we have weighs about 10 pounds, and it will deliver somewhere in the area of 300 gallons per minute, which is probably a lot more than you'd ever need to water your lawn or wash your car. Okay, we also carry on the fire pumper all sorts of couplings, other smaller nozzles. We carry about 4 different sizes of hose, anywhere from 3/4 inch for our high pressure reels to 3 inch, which we use to hook the hydrants, and the 4.5 inch, which I was showing you just a minute ago. We carry breathing apparatus, which we use when which I think you probably have heard about in one of our other films, which we use when we enter into a house that is filled with smoke. It's self-contained, and it protects us from any type of damage to our lungs. We carry these in this compartment right back here. This particular pumper also carries about 1,000 gallons of water. Pumpers in general will carry anywhere from 500 to 1,000, some a little more, some a little less. The weight on this vehicle when it is full of water is a little bit over 20 tons, which is, when you get a vehicle like this moving, it's kind of hard to stop it, which brings up the point that whenever you mateys would hear a fire truck coming down the road, and instead of running out to the road to see what it is, be sure to stay back, because the fire pumper, it is a hard vehicle to get stopped once it's moving, so don't put yourselves in danger of getting in the way when there is emergency in progress. Also on the fire pumper, we carry coupling adapters, we carry hose clamps, we carry different types of wedges to stop gas leaks or anything like that. We also carry ropes for rescue techniques and or hoisting or lifting anything. We of course have our extinguishers on here. As you can see here, we have a rather complicated pump panel, and it's from this position right here that the fire department, or the fire engine operator, or engineer as we call him, directs all the different hose streams. He sets the different pressures. This pump will deliver anywhere from a few pounds of pressure up to 900 pounds of pressure. And to give you an idea of how much 900 pounds of pressure is, you could probably knock the mortar out of a brick wall with 900 pounds of pressure. Well, I guess that's about all we're going to have for today, mateys. Be sure to tune in tomorrow when you'll hear about our rescue vehicle.